believe the coming festive season is throwing many challenges to the marketing, and we marketeers love challenges. So I also believe it's going to be a full of innovation and creativity marketing season. The spread of COVID-19 is making this festival season quite unique. How do you get together and celebrate your festivals while maintaining social distancing? How do you travel for the family reunion when you might not get the bus or the train or the flight, or you might not get a visa if you have to go to another country? How do you touch, feel, and explore things that you want to buy or gift while maintaining safety and hygiene? These are kind of typical tensions that most of us and most consumers will face during this festive season. And the brands who are able to help resolve these tensions, find new solutions through innovations, through new ideas, can really change the game and emerge as winners from this crisis. So here are my 4 tips for the marketeers for the coming festive season. Number 1. Demand had really plummeted during the lockdown, and the supply chains got disrupted big time. But there will be an upswing in the coming festive season, because there is a lot of pent-up demand, and the consumer fatigue has set in with the current lifestyle. So brands should gear up to meet the demand. And how do they do that? First of all, by ensuring adequate supply as well as marketing spends. And you gotta be laser focused in your marketing strategy to get a big bang out of the little budgets you are left with. Number 2. People are looking for a let go, as they have been at home, restrained for quite some time now. I think we can all feel it in our lives too. We're all seeking comfort in these times of uncertainty. But the fear is still there. So brands can resolve this tension by making it easy for the consumers to pamper themselves, maybe in small ways. So the messaging should be about positivity and a license to indulge a little bit. But at the same time, as tempting as it may sound, we shouldn't make the mistake of saying that all is well, because for many, it isn't. Number 3. Festivals are all about celebration, about being together. And consumers have to resolve the tension of celebrating and maintaining social distancing by building their own new rituals. So brands can connect by enabling these new and virtual rituals of festivities. You can build some innovative solutions through omnichannel with a combination of offline and online elements. For perspective, at Bridgestone, we have launched several new solutions like Bridgestone Doorstep Delivery for tire fitment, Bridgestone Book My Service, so consumers can book online appointment for getting tires fitted or any other services at our dealers. We've also tied up with a pick and drop service. You can actually get the job done while you're sipping coffee at the comfort of your home. And finally, something specific for the auto industry. We do expect a big shift towards personal mobility. Public transport is perceived to be quite unsafe in these times. So consumers do want to own a personal vehicle, be it a small car or a motorbike, but they are wary of spending on a big ticket item. This is due to the economic uncertainty, job losses, income cuts, or we don't know how long this COVID uncertainty is going to last. So there is a huge tension here. And brands can resolve this through new solutions like financing or subscription models, things like that. And then there are people who actually have saved enough money due to reduced spending in the lockdown. They are ready to spend on cars and bikes, and brands should quote them with targeted marketing, and they'll get a very good ROI on these spends. So, summarizing the 4 points I mentioned: be prepared for the upswing, help the consumer let go a little bit, build omni-channel models to help consumers celebrate with a feeling of safety. And there is a demand for personal vehicles. Auto industry needs to enable the fulfillment. And above all, stay authentic and show empathy. And I would also like to add that great marketing is all about finding those hidden tensions in consumers' life and their minds and resolving them through innovative plans. So focus on that. And last but not the least, I would like to wish all of you a very happy and safe and joyous festive season. Thank you.